Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm LayTreees, and this is me. We're gonna be dyeing my hair today. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. We have honey blonde this time. So one of the questions was that I stated that I would do my hair honey blonde or whatever, and I was using a ginger blonde packet. To me, ginger blonde and honey blonde is like the same thing in my eyes. Like, it all depends on what you call it, because I actually did some research. I searched up the two colors and it kind of showed me like the same thing. So I don't know. What was the next thing? I think the next thing was like if it's damaging to your hair or whatever. I think any type of dye, bleach, whatever it is you put on your hair is damaging to your hair. Like, you're basically putting products on your hair to lighten it. Like, so I would guess, like, personally, me, it didn't really do too much to my hair. Like, as you can see, I still got hair on top of my head. I've cut my hair multiple times though, from since I did color it. And honestly, my hair ain't damaged in a sense. So you really just gotta take care of your hair. Like, if you know you put color on it, make sure you're moisturizing it, doing all of that stuff, because yes, it will dry out. Like, that's kind of common sense. So that's my answer to that. Tell you guys what it comes with, although I did this already. It comes with a Creme natural conditioner, so you can put in your hair afterwards, give it some hydration. This the color instructions. It has gloves inside this. This is developer. So what was this? Yeah, this the gel hair color and this the developer. So you put these two together. Because I know you guys love to ask questions, so I'm gonna try to answer them so we could kind of avoid that. I mean, I know they're gonna still have questions and stuff, which I don't mind answering. I ain't even in the camera, so we're just squeezing it in. Right now, we're gonna just use one bottle. If I need to, well, now I'm gonna make the second bottle just in case, because I might need it. Okay, so the instructions do say if your hair is chemically treated already, 25 minutes, natural hair 30 minutes, and then gray or resistant hair 30 minutes. So obviously my hair is already light already, so we're not gonna try to do too much. Although knowing me, I'm gonna leave this on longer. But shit, what do I have to lose? Hair grows back, you feel me? I'm looking in the mirror, so yeah, I'm gonna really be looking at the camera. Oh, so I'm starting kind of close to the roots because that's where my new growth is. This is already colored, so okay, so the roots are done. I think I'm gonna mix up the next bottle. There's like this much left.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving.
Oh, my hair changed super fast. But another question I had, I don't know if I answered it when I first started saying the questions. I was like, why mine don't came out lighter than theirs or whatever. Like a lot of people saying theirs came out darker than mine. I think it depends also on which one you use, because this one is the honey blonde, the other one is ginger blonde. So I think that depends what you use. And also, but like right now, like looking at my hair, and I think it depends on what your natural hair color is, because mine is like, my hair ain't black and it ain't like, it's brown, but it's on the lighter side. You can see that my hair is brown. So I think mine just takes the color a little bit more than if somebody else was to. Like if I was to do my sister or my brother hair, they would need something more powerful, I guess, for their hair color. I have a widow's peak, that's up my product. Because the last time I put it on, I just had a black piece. And I try to get my edges too, because I missed all of that the last time. Yeah, the back is darker. I'm about to go wash it up. And if you have people that look back from the first video to now, yes, my hair is shorter. I cut it like shit, so many times, I don't even know how much times. But I'm gonna leave it grow this time. Oh no, that looks, the camera makes it look awkward. Oh, I'm gonna look like I don't have no edges for a couple of weeks. Oh my gosh, I didn't think about that. We're gonna put this in my hair, a lot of oil. You could put in wet hair, damp hair, and dry hair, so it don't really matter. Moisturize. This to make a lot of noise, so I can come back when I'm done. Not the bump ends. I like the color though. I'm mad that I put oil in it because it's giving a little stiff now that I blow dry it. Usually it would, you know, be a little more flowy, but the oil makes it a little bit more on the stiffer side, so that's my mistake. Okay, so that's how we're looking. Told you guys I got inches, just a little bit, just a little bit. It's not straight. I'm not straightening it because I just come from straightening it like 2 weeks ago. Not 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago maybe, before I did my braids, my twist. So let me put my bun. But for right now, this is how it'll be. I'm gonna fix it, obviously. Thanks for watching, like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Make sure I turn on the post notification bell so you know when I post, but you should know every Sunday.